question. How can a man best pleases you and why? How can a man best pleases you? Why?
Thank you for that very interesting question. But before that, thank you judges for sitting there. Well, a man touches my heart. A man pleases me, really touches my heart. Every time he does things that I love. Every time he says, I love you, baby Lako. Ladies and gentlemen, I am just a human being. I have a heart and I have the capacity to get hurt, to hurt other people. And ladies and gentlemen, I am what I am, and I believe that I also deserve to be loved, to share love, to give love to all the people in this world. Thank you.